Hi everyone, just out for a weekend in the woods. A bit colder this weekend, and I have brought with me my Hestra Falt guide gloves, which I took to the Arctic, and I'm just going to take some time out now to tell you a bit about them and tell you how amazing they are. So back in February we went to Finland in the Arctic Circle to a place called Kittilä, and walked out and did a week camping in the boreal forest. And part of the obviously prep is prepping your kit, talking about kind of what systems you're going to have over there, what type of clothing systems, mitten systems, just for different scenarios. During those conversations we started talking about our hands and mittens and kind of what combinations you need to wear, and all the guys were talking about, well, it's still important to have a pair of gloves for when you need your fingers to do finer things instead of them enclosed in mittens. But the whole point of wearing the gloves was just for that finer work, and then the sense that I got was that you would be in your mittens most of the time. Now, when we got out there, spent the week, temperatures got down to -33, and I didn't put my mittens on once. I lived in these Hestra Falt guide gloves. They've got the wool liners as part of the standard glove. You can remove them, you can interchange them, you can dry them out, which is fantastic. And all I had as well was a thin pair of merino wool gloves, which were from Decathlon. They had the special thumbs on the glove that you can still use your phone with. So I just had the gloves and those liners, and my hands stayed toasty the entire time. So I really do rate the Hestra Falt guide gloves. They come with a little loop to put in your belt. Like I said, they have the wool liners that you can take in and out. You can use them. I have a pair of Hestras that I just use as work gloves at home in the garden. I got the smaller size, took out the wool liners because I think I got them for like 20 quid off eBay. And you're laughing. They are a really reputable, reliable, high quality brand, Hestra. And if you've clicked on this video, it means that you already know a bit about how good Hestra is. Yeah, so as soon as I put my hands in these, they were warm straight away. Like I said, down to -33 and toasty. My mittens stayed in my pack. I think I took out 2 different mitten systems, and each mitten system had about maybe 2 or 3 layers within them. So I took out quite a few mittens, and just ended up living in these. And the other guys did too. Now these have gone in price, up in price, since I bought them. I bought them a good few years ago, maybe just before COVID, maybe during COVID, from the Ray Mears Woodlaw website, and they were around £90, and now you're looking at about £130. So it's keep an eye on eBay. There was a pair size 11s, which these are size 11s. There was a pair of size 11s going on last week. That was keeping an eye on for any of the other guys who wanted a pair, and some of them did a bid on it. So they do come up. General sizing, I don't know, your standard height, standard build, I suppose, standard hands, and I've got size 11, which they're slightly bigger, but that's because I was wearing the liners underneath as well. Jason, who again is just your average kind of guy, he got a size 10. And the other guys who have been like trying them on have said, oh yeah, these are perfect. So size 10, size 11 are kind of your standard male adult. The work gloves that I bought for at home without the wool liners, I was able to wear a pair of size 8s without the liners, and they fit absolutely fine. So I do think they are true to size on the measurements, but that's just, like I said, my preference. Size 10s, size 11s, you're going to be fine with. So yeah, keep an eye out on eBay. They do come up. They are worth the weight in gold, and they are becoming rarer and rarer and more expensive to buy brand new. But yeah, you won't be sorry that you bought a pair. They're a lovely glove, beautiful leather, and like I said, really warm and toasty glove. As always, if you have any questions about any of the kit that you see in the videos or about the Hestras, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video.